name's Ray Ravina, stationary engineer, just the tile guy. And I talk to people all the time, and I've seen quite a few of the same faces. Nobody knows my name. Most people just know me as a tile guy. It's almost 10 acres of tile. It's plenty to do. The Building 1's tile originally came from East Germany. That's how old it is. And we still have quite a bit of that from the original installation. But we've run out of all of the pieces. All we have now is the squares. There's all different shapes that make up these tiles. I don't know exactly how many different pieces there are, but there's quite a few. So anytime we need a pie or diamond or whatever kind of cut, I have to cut it. Like I say, most of my work's done on street because it's mostly for tripping hazards, basically. These buildings are old. It's constantly settling and moving and cracking, 1 to 4, 4 to 1. I mean, you never stop. When I think I'm done here, I go back to 1 and start again. And the other way I describe it is kind of like the back of a shampoo bottle. Rinse, lather, repeat. Rinse, lather, repeat. That's what I do. So I've touched at least 1 million pieces of tile here. I like coming to work and seeing something broken, tearing it out, waterproofing, or doing any of the other things that I do, putting the tile back, and then walking away and it's done, and knowing that area is going to be done for years. That's my favorite part.